Ataraki ni ithathatũ mweri wa 10 mwaka wa 2023 ukiri mwega hwaini wa umuthi ni ndagioka nigetha ngukorwo ngiguceria bururi uyu handu warma ona nja wa bururi ni ngetika Wambui Njau gukore kwa Muthingi TV etikira kugucia njongwa yaku ngumenyithie maria tugikuhaririirie no mbere ndayari andu ambe onegirwo matemo ma mohoro. Mamwe wa maria tukuhaririirie ni ati
counties have consistently fallen short of their annual own source revenue OSR targets since the advent of devolution. The shortfall has had adverse effects on service delivery.
Anini ama gavana ni magete na giikaro na munini wa mutongoria wa bururi akurunga ciegie kigina gia county.
As a way forward, we have agreed that we will be resuming work as a committee on Wednesday.
Kamiti ya wiguano kwaraniria uhoro wigie ripoti ya miario thutha wa ikerekaria mbere rigutemania mawoni kuinikirira.
Tumeweka mpango maalum tuhakikishe ya kwamba tunazalisha mchele hapa Kenya.
President William Ruto gushera kaunti-ini cia Kisumu na Siaya njira-ini ria guthii wa na mbere.
Tumefuata process zote ambazo ni za kununua shamba. Tukifuata hizo process zote hatukuambiwa mambo na reli. Hatukuona mahali popote kwa the current map mambo na reli.
Aikari ngiri ithatũ kuma mwena wa Gilgil kũingatwo kwao nĩguo reri yako. Haya mau no mamwe wa maria tugikuhaririirie njitikiria gukorwo ngigutamburukiria gikunjiro gitu hwaini wa umuthi na twaraniria kwa mwena wa Facebook arigwo Muthingi TV na tukiambiriria twambie na cia mutho gwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua kuri munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi wa Gachagua ni atongoririe mucemanio wa IBEC giikaro kia 20 kemushim gukuni mwena wa Karen guko Nairobi agitongoria mucemanio ucio uri gwikinyitio ni kanjo ya magavana ndumiriri ya Rigathi ya Gachagua kuri andiki a mohoro augite ati hari kigina gya ciringi bilioni 385.4 kiria kigathikirwo thirikari cia county budget-ini ya mwaka wa kigina wa 20 kana 2023-2024 ciringi bilioni 61.1 ni cicokereirio kuri county ciothe na bilioni 52 ni cokereirio no county iria cire na mathiri manini bengi-ini ya Central Bank nicio ikumiria kigina kiu. Mwandiki wito Chege wa Wanjohi no ratuhingurira gikunjiro hwaini wa umuthi.
Uheani wa motungata kuma kuri thirikari cia kaunti wahota guthie na gutharara kuona ati ciringi bilioni 61.1 nicio cirekereirio kuri thirikari cia kaunti hari kigina gia ciringi bilioni 385.4 iria ciagathikirwo thirikari cia kaunti budget-ini ya mwaka wa 2023 mwaka wa 2024 na riu ciringi bilioni 52 ni cikurekererio na kaunti iria cina mathire manini bengi-ini ya Central Bank nicio cigukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere kugunika na kigina kiu no indi kigina kiu gikuheanwo gitathire kuri thirikari icio.
The council was informed that of the 385.4 billion shillings allocated to the counties for the 2023-2024 financial year, out of which 61.1 billion has been disbursed to counties as an equitable share. Kenya shillings 52 billion to be disbursed as conditional grants to counties. To overcome difficult fiscal space, counties with low bank balances at the Central Bank will be given priority.
Kurumirira ndeto ino thirikari cia kaunti ciri hatikaine makiria kuona nginyagia riu citire na kigina gia kurugamirira uheani wa motungata kuri muingi na makiria kugomerwo ni mathire maingi.
The council was informed that counties have consistently fallen short of their annual own source revenue OSR targets since the advent of devolution. The shortfall has had adverse effects on service delivery and has played a role in the accumulation of pending bills. The council acknowledges that the Commission on Revenue Allocation (CRA) has intervened by disseminating the OSR potential report implementing the tax administrative diagnostic assessment tool, and formulating the tariff padding policy.
Ohori kaunti 40 cio cineanite riboti ciao cia mathire kuri ruhonge rwa guthurima bajeti na ona kuri oguo kaunti imwe citirumireire mawatho na mitaratara riboti-ini icio.
Regarding padding bills, it was reported that 40 counties have submitted their padding bills reports to the Controller of Budget. However, it was noted that some counties did not follow the first in, first out basis criteria. The Council decided that a meeting be convened involving the Controller of Budget, the Council of Governors, and the National Treasury to address and resolve the persistent issues of padding bills.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Njohi.
Gatho cia mwanya Chege wa Njohi na tugithie na mbere. Mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto nebekete icera riake thiku 4 kaunti-ini cia Kisumu na Siaya na kuria ambiririe na uruguria wa tafarira itiganite ari hamwe na tafarira cia urimi wa thamaki. Hindi Ruto niranire gutigirira urimi wa thamaki ni wagacirithio na njira ya kurugamio na njira ya kurehe thamaki kuma mabũrũri-inĩ mangĩ. Mwandĩki witũ Mwangi wa Murugi ena riboti iyo makiria.
Hamjambo.
Akihura safi icera riake ria nduku 4 rĩa kĩwĩra mwena wa Siaya na Kithumo, mũtongoria wa bũrũri Ndagitari William Ruto nĩateterithitie na gutetera ikinya rĩa thirikari yake ya kurugamia kuingĩrio kwa indo itiganĩte kuma mabũrũri ma nanja.
Tumekubaliana kama serikali ya Kenya ya kwamba hatuwezi kuendelea kuagiza mchele kutoka nje miaka yote. Ndio tumeweka mpango maalum tuhakikishe ya kwamba tunazalisha mchele hapa Kenya.
Akiaria ahidi ya uruguria wa tafarira ya waki wa cukuru wa mathomo megiĩ ũrĩmi wa thamaki wa Kabonyo mwena wa Gĩthumo, President nĩaugĩte atĩ bũrũri ũrĩ na ũtonga mũnene wa maĩ-inĩ ũrĩa wagĩrĩirwo nĩ gũkorwo ũkĩgitĩrwo.
Katika ufuo huu wa ziwa la Lake Victoria tunajenga landing sites zingine 8 pale Luanda Kotieno. Tumemaliza tayari fishing landing site ya kwanza, kwa sababu uvuvi ni ya muhimu sana katika uchumi wa kuzalisha chakula katika taifa letu la Kenya.
Nĩaugĩte atĩ nĩegũtigĩrĩra kũingĩrio gwa thamaki kuma mabũrũri mangĩ hamwe na indo cia mbaũ nĩwarũgamio kaimana kuona nĩ ikinya rĩkoretwo rĩgĩcokia ũtonga wa bũrũri na thutha.
Lake Victoria kwa sababu ya uvuvi tumepata matatizo kidogo, saa zingine samaki inakosekana, na ndio sababu hiyo we must engage in the business and in the program of restocking Lake Victoria, and this project we are having here today is going to be part of the process of restocking Lake Victoria.
O hindi iyo nĩaugĩte atĩ kũgerera gĩceceni gĩkĩ gĩa Kabonyo nĩgũteithia hanene harĩ ũrĩmi wa thamaki kuona nĩ kĩrĩrutaga makĩria ma ciana cia thamaki milioni 10 ũndũ ũrĩa ũgũthondeka kinya mĩeke ya mawĩra kũrĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ.
Hii mradi na hapa tumekubaliana na serikali ya Hungary. Hapa tunaweka pesa shilingi bilioni 1 kujenga hii mradi, kuhakikisha ya kwamba tutakuwa na fish pond, kuhakikisha ya kwamba tutatoa hapa fingerlings. Mumesikia balozi akisema hapa tutakuwa tunatoa fingerlings milioni 7 kila mwaka in the first year of operation.
Ruto nĩonekete kwaga gũthengia uga wake wa maũndũ nĩ matatũ kũrĩ arĩa makoretwo makĩnyita mĩgwate ũrĩmi wa igwa na gũtiga arĩmi makĩherithĩka.
Watu wakora, wafisadi na watu wa bure ambao wanataka kuendelea kuteka nyara biashara ya miwa, niliwaambia mambo ni matatu. Mambo ni mangapi? Mambo ni mangapi? Hawa wakora wote na wafisadi mambo yao ni matatu. Either wahame Kenya, waende jela, ama waende wapi? Basi sawa.
Ruto nĩatanyĩtwo gũthiĩ na mbere na icera rĩake na makĩria mwena ũyũ na kũrĩa Mohoro wa Azimio wonekaga gũkorwo na uga mũnene. Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Murugi.
Haya, ona niĩ nguga maũndũ no matatũ kwĩrorera Muthingi kwirorera muthingi na tukithie na mbere na kumana na ngoe na ngahiha cia kinduriri irikoretwo ikiyumiria mwaka-ini wa Sondu. Mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni eranire kuga ati thirikari ndikuonia magego aria maracungira ngoe ici mwena uyu. Ruto akiaria ari mwena wa Kabonyo gukuri kaunti-ini ya Kisumu ni augite ati uria makoretwo making'ethanira na itoi mwena wa Rift Valley matiokorwo makihua gukorwo making'ethanira na aya a Sondu
ya Sondu. Ndio hiyo mimi nataka kusema mwisho. Kuna watu wanaturudisha nyuma na kulete vita kati ya jamii na kati ya majirani. Nishamwambia Profesa Kithure Kindiki, vile tumewakalia wale wa North Rift, vile tunawakalia Al-Shabaab, hawa watu wa Sondu hapa watakiona cha mtemakuni. Hatutaki, sikizeni, hatutaki mambo ya ujinga ya ukabila. Sisi tunaishi Kenya moja, na serikali ya Kenya ni serikali ya kila Mkenya. Mimi nataka niwahakikishie na tayari tumeweka mpango kamili, na nimemwambia Profesa Kindiki ahakikishe ya kwamba kila mtu ambaye alisababisha mwananchi akapotesha maisha yake lazima akamatwe na lazima apelekwe jela, kwa sababu kuua mwananchi mwenzako ni mambo ambayo haikubaliki. Wanaweza kwenda hiyo safari ya tatu ile ya kwenda huko.
Na tukithie na mbere turoge nginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Naikuru kuria waki wa reli gicigo-ini kia Gilgil ni urehete kigiriko kuri family makiria ma 3,000 aria maturaga gicagi-ini kia Gema. Kuringana na aikari ko makiria ma eka 200 ni kuhuthirwo ona kuria thirikari iraugite ati ikurihuthiraga reli iria nguru. Ari Kariuki uria ni murugamiriri wa etikia adini ya Githiramu augite ni makuruta migunda wa eka 50 mwaka-ini wa 2007 mahuvire njira iria yagirire. Mwandiki witu Mwende wa Mbere ena ripoti hiyo.
Kiavana kigiriko na kigumirite karia gicigo kia Gilgil kuria magiriro guthama tondu wa reli iria irakwo. Ali Kariuki uria ni murugamiri wa etikia adini ya Githiramu ni aratarire uria magurire mugunda wa eka 50 kuma kwi Gema na njira iria yagirire ya thirikari. Ni araikirite na kwi thirikari akiuria kuria maguthii na ngarani makuvava gutura.
Baada ya shamba kuwa ilikuwa ya Delamere ikenda kwa Kul, baadaye ikauziwa Gema ndio walituuzia, na wakituuzia tulifanya search, tulifanya utaratibu wote ambao unastahili wa kiserikali. Tukijenga tulikuwa tukienda kwa stakabadhi ya serikali kuuliza vile tutafanya, na tukakuwa tunapewa green light ya kuendelea. Tunauliza serikali, hawa ndugu zetu wataenda wapi, watafanyaje? Na kile kilikuwa nacho ndicho hicho wametumia kununua ardhi. Hawana njia ingine unless serikali iwapatie makao.
Kariuki ni aratarire uria reli iyo igutumira eka 240 na kwina mburoti mpake kuu cia andu aria maguthamithwa.
24 kilometers times 10 acres. Hiyo ni 240 acres. 240 acres, hesabu eka 5 iko na float 40. So 10 ziko na 80. 80 times 240. Hizo ni ploti ngapi? Kwa sababu zote tumekata kwa barabara. Si ni milioni. Sasa na wameitana kama kifamilia, kuko na ploti mzuri hapa Gema. Watu wa Nyandarua hata ndio tunafurumia sana, kwa sababu hao wamekuja hapa Girigiri kwa sababu ya magonjwa ya baridi. Sasa wao wakikuja tena Gilgiri wasikie tena reli imepita, tutaenda aje?
Mutumia mwena arito ni ngoro tondu araimwa kinyomba yake ya gwikara na tondu reli irakwa narugamite mubango ucio.
Nikinunua shamba maploti yenye nilinunua nilipatiwa kwenda kufanya search najifanyia kwa nyumba pana, naenda kwa serikali, hawakuniambia mahali kuna reli. Nikitaka kujenga nilicholewa plan, nikapeleka bado kwa serikali, hakuna mahali niambia najenga kwa reli. Surely tutaenda wapi watu wa Gema? Sasa kama mimi nilikuwa nimeanza kujenga, siwezi jenga because I don't know what will take next.
Mwakari wengi ni aratarĩria atabania acio maramarutĩra mũkana makĩmeraga atĩ reri ĩyo ĩrabĩtũkĩra mũgũnda President William Ruto na gũtirĩ kĩndũ mangĩmeka na kĩũria kĩrĩa nakĩo nĩ gĩkĩ mũndũ take ũrĩa na eka imwe na agũre na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire gĩthirikari nĩ ekũhatia na kĩvoto kĩao gĩkũ.
Na wanakuja na jina la Ruto wakisema ati hiyo reli inaenda kwa shamba ya Ruto, hatuwezi wafanya kitu. Exactly. Na wanasema ati tuko kwa reli. Najiuliza kama mimi niko na eka mzima na wamepitisha reli kwangu, na mimi nifanya search, nikanunua map of Kenya na nikafanya kila kitu, DC aka sign consent, title nika subdivision na nikapea watu wa title, alafu mtu wa reli anakuja kututisha akisema kwamba ati kuna reli inakuja na inaenda kwa Ruto, kwa shamba ya Ruto. Sasa tunataka kujua kwamba haki iko wapi.
Ngirivatira Mringi TV mbitago mwende Wambui.
Muhega munene kuri aciari aria mari na ciana ina wathe wa cerebral palsy ukoretwo ari wagi wa mathukuru athogora wa iguru wa dawa hamwe na thibitari cia kurigitira ciana iria iri na wathe uyu ni ndumiriri irekereirio hindi ya muthi wa gukungwira andu aria makiri na murimu uyu kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga makihoya thirikari kumatambura kuona ati ni matiganagirio. Mwandiki witũ Wambui wa Maina no ratutamburia ici.
O tariki 6 mweri-inĩ wa 10 mwaka ukoragwo ari muthi wa gukungwira andu aria othe maikaraga na wathe wa cerebral palsy. Igongona-inĩ rĩa umuthi rigĩtabanirio kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga mwena wa Kirugoya.
Na muthenya wa umuthi ni muthenya witu wa celebrate World Cerebral Palsy Day iria koragwo celebrate thĩ yothe tukienda inclusion ya ciana ici citũ.
Kuringana na Wambui Njau uria utongoretie gikundi giki gia Cerebral Palsy Kids, muhinga munene kuri oni wagi wa mathukuru kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga kuria makoretwo magitwara ciana ciao kaunti-ini ingi.
Uderu munene muno. In fact tari wamwe haha ona no makwire kuri matwaraga ciana o Nyeri kuri angi matwaraga cukuru ciitagwo a Ngũngũrũ. No kaigwo na ingire no na matikuhota tondu na no expensive gutwara ciana icio na kuma maintain mari boarding no tugikona cukuru gukuri ni makuhota.
Veronica Wanjiru ni muciari uri na mwana uri na wathe uyu na ni ataririe uria makoretwo magitangika na ciana ici na ona kibarua matingihota kimatura. Thogora wa dawa hamwe na diapers iria mahuthagira ukoretwo iguru hamwe na urigitani riu makiuria thirikari kumatangikira.
Ciana iti they are able differently. Ciana ici itire no hoti wa kwikira undu no mo na maria nene tayo na haha uguo matithiaga cukuru matingihota kwihe irio matihuthagira diapers throughout. Ingo ciothe tukorwo tukihuthira diapers, dawa cikoretwo ciina goro muno, diapers icio igakorwo ciina goro muno na riu ona tugika awareness no tureke no tukenda andu mamenye uhoro witu wa gukorwo tuki exist.
Penina Mwangi ni murigitani wa ciana iria ikoragwo na wathe uyu akiuga kaingĩ ucungagĩrĩrio hĩndĩ ĩrĩa mũtumia aragia mwana kũngĩkorwo na thĩna kana mwana wĩ thĩ wa mĩaka 2 angĩgĩa na mũtino wa barabara. Ndagĩtarĩ Penina Mwangi augĩte makoretwo magĩtabania urigitani wa ciana ici gũkũ thibitarĩ-inĩ nene wa Kirugoya. Riu akiuria aciari kurehe ciana ciao kwamũkĩra ũtungata wa therapy niguo mahote gwĩtwara.
Mũngiuma aba muingire gũkũ thibitarĩ ni mukuona ũtungata ũcio wa physiotherapy. Koguo thirikari ya county ina inyuĩ.
Millicent Wawĩra niwe minister wa gender na mbeũ njĩthĩ thirikari-inĩ ya county ya Kirinyaga na ugĩte ni makoretwo makinyitirĩra andu aria mari na mawathe maya na ciumia 2 hĩtũku riu gavana wa iguru ni erega kuheana wheelchairs kuri andu aria mari na mawathe na oho kugacirithia utungata wa ugima wa mwiri kuri andu aya kaunti-ini ino.
Kirithiru gavana ni aheanire wheelchairs cia ciana iria ina cerebral palsy na akiheana wheelchairs cia andu aria mena wathe physical.
Ritana ni rikitio kuri aciari aria othe mari na ciana iri na wathe uyu kwaga kumahitha. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV Titago Wambui wa Maina.
Na riboti yo kuma Kirinyaga ni rahikanyaga kwa kambere ukorwo ngihumuka ndugagikorwo githie kurahi kuona ati ndina mange maingi ona megie mathako guko ni kwa Muthingi TV atombe tuikirie ni ndiracokereria.
Nako kaguru karime gatihana kari muhuru nake mumagari niyo nagira
ndutaga wira wa kwendia hema migeka na ngomia kino wira ura ndiraga na guko ni
nitutamburaga kio gitu na thabari itu miethere-ini
akai kunyita ugeni guku kwa Muthingi TV
nikio nitugicemanagia o kiumia tabarira-ini ya mwihang'iri turi na mwihang'iri witu agitutirithia thabari yake kinya hau akinyite
yandiko ni muthuri wiho andikitwo gibanda ki hare rugongo
ni oguku ceceni-ini ya Muthingi TV na nie Mwangi wa Murugi.
Muturire-ini uyu ni gutongana na andu mithemba yothe anini akuru akeni na amwe maihoretwo ni ihoru no haria yothe gutire utari karugano gake ka gikeno kieha kana matina mundu anakiruka
ta mwana ni ndatwikire so embarrassed na hau ni ndakorirwe no tho mwingi muno towards my mom
ndakimenya ngoma nake tikihi ndakimenya nake ngoma tikihi
nikio nie Njeri wa Mwangi tukite na tabarira ya rugano rwaku kagia na kamweke ga gutwira maria wanagerera na githomo kiria wathomire kuri macio mothe ni o Juma thaa 2 cia hwaini guko kwa Muthingi TV kihumo gia gutherema.
Uri murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera kivugo mugwanja 572 kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Na nitwacokereria guku ari kwa Muthingi TV ari kunjiro gitu kia mohoro ndathi na mbere gukumenyithia uria bururi wa Tinda wikaire na tugicokereria mohoro-ini maitu mĩario ya wiguano gatagati ka mwahu wa mung'ethaniro na thirikari ni tanyitwo kuingira ikereka ria keri na ni thutha wa ikereka ria mbere ria kuneo kwa mendekithia kuinikirira ni thutha wa kamiti iria iratafanagia mĩario ino kwaria na andiki a mohoro na kuga ati imakoretwo makiongerera ihinda riria moyaga mĩario-ini.
We have had a chance to be able to get a submission of all the memoranda that we received from the technical team, and I wish to report the following: that we had 31 had delivered memoranda to Parliament buildings, we had 46 delivered to Bomas of Kenya, and we had 181 via email, so a total of 258.
Number of memoranda the quality of oral submissions, we can actually conclude that this has been one of the most consultative processes that one can ever come across.
We have agreed that we will be resuming work as a committee on Wednesday, but in the meantime, there's work for the technical committee to do, and we'll be looking at all the 5 issues as we agreed at the beginning of our talks, and we will be able now to begin consensus building on the 5 issues starting on Wednesday, and we will be working long hours, probably into the weekends, until we are able to build consensus on those issues.
We seem to have had convergence on a number of issues so far, and therefore as we resume next week, we shall basically be focusing on building consensus around those other outstanding issues, and we are sure that we are going to be able to deliver to Kenyans product within the timelines.
Close of the stakeholder engagements, the committee had received oral submissions from 60 stakeholders and 704 persons drawn from the stakeholders who appeared before the committee since Monday.
Na riu turuge nginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Embu kuria wagi wa kigina na wiguithanio wa gwitikiria ni watho uhoro-ini wigie wa thinema na mathako niguo tumite thina uria munene uria ugutitie mubango wa thinema iria cireyukiriria andi thutha wa kigomano kiria gitabanirio Embu na kuria nyititemi hamwe na thirikari cia matura aciranire kunyitirira hari ukuria wa taranda matura-ini mwandiki wito Yune wa Wambui ena ripoti hiyo makiria.
Makiaria hindi ya githomo gikinyani rugamirire ruhonge rugite ati githomo giki ni gia guteithiriria athaki thinema gukura na kwimenya makiria thiini wa uthaki wa thinema.
Lucy Kalaya, I'm the communication officer at the Kenya Cultural Center. We are here in Embu County as we have partnered with the Kenya International Theatre Festival for the County Theatre Fiesta. Kenya Cultural Center is committed to build the capacity of our practitioners in the industry, and that is the main reason we have partnered with the Theatre Festival, and we are here mainly to build their capacity.
Oho niugite ati mubango uyu ni unyititwo mbaru ni thirikari ya county niguo kuhota gukuria mbeũ njithi iria cina taranda.
After the training, we are facilitating them to the Kenya National Theatre for the Kenya International Theatre Festival, where they will perform and they will get an opportunity to interact and learn from the other practitioners in the international realm. And as the Kenya Cultural Center, we are committed to continue training and mentoring them throughout and ensure that this training does not just end here, but the program will be sustainable, as again we are working with the county government to establish the gaps that we have identified and ensure that the trainees get an opportunity to be trained more and more, to be mentored, and then I believe the theatre industry will thrive and the theatre going culture in the country will improve.
Marathoma githomo giki ni maugite ati githomo giki ni gikumateithiriria hari gukuria iheo ciao.
Where you find students are like really engaged and they're so much interested in the different departments that we've been training, and in particular my class, I would say the response has been positive. Till now I have students who keep on texting me and
Haduni Hamudingi TV Betora Kwame Yune wa Wambui.
Na tuigire riboti-ini ya kiha iri haha lori ya gukua maguta ni gwite mutino-ini wa bara nene ya kuma Nairobi guthie Naikuru itura-ini ria gitaro guku ni kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Muingi wa itura riri ni wiyumiririe na njira nene mathiete na mitungi na gukua maguta macio maria moretio matikahuthire kuona ati matiri na umenyo ni maguta muthemba uriku. Maabitha a borithi hamwe na thima mwaki ni meyumiririe mutino-ini ucio muingi makiria na maikorwo magithambia barabara iyo kuona ati yuma no tenderu muingi wa maguta.
mtu ambaye ameumia kwa hii lori, lakini mafuta imemwagika mingi na watu wameweza kuchota mafuta, ambayo na waomba watu ambao wamechota hii mafuta wasitumie pasipo kujua ni mafuta ya aina gani. Asante. Na polisi waliweza kufika hapa na wakaweza authorize watu wasikaribie hii lori sana, kwa sababu haikuwa inajulikana ile pande ambayo imelala, na haikuwa inajulikana vile kwa sababu kulikuwa bado na giza. So polisi wa Kikuyu tunawashukuru, walikimbia na wakakuja na wakaweza authorize watu wasikaribie sana. Ingalau watu waliweza kuchota mafuta na wamechota, na hatujakuwa na any incidents ambayo tunaweza sema imekuwa kitu ambayo ni ya kututia shaka. Na tunaongea hivyo, wameweza kuosha barabara, ndio inaoshwa. Kuna hiyo mambo inaendelea kuosha barabara kwa sababu ilikuwa na uterezi mwingi sana.
Nataka serikali itumalizie hii interchange juu ya hizi
akogeni ate gikundi kia Fawe Kenya nikiheanite uteithio wa mashini cia kompyuta kuri arutwo arita njira ya kumateithia guthie na mbere na mathomo mao makiriu. Ni mihango iria ikinyanĩirio kuri arutwo a cukuru wa Nalondo CBM na aria maikaraga na mawathe. Gikundi giki ni gikinyanĩirie uheani uyu wa mashini ici cia kompyuta kuri makiria ma county 20.
Today we have launched 3 computers given to us by the Fawe Kenya for our children, Marisa in the program Marisa Msichana, and members of the club are around 50 in this school, 30 boys, 30 girls and 20 boys. We thank the organization so much for having remembered our children who are able differently, and we hope this computer given to them will enhance learning computer in this school, and in the school is needed for more computers. So far we have 3 functional ones which have been given to the students to the skill, and as you know very well, our education system now is we are going IT, and we hope more donors and stakeholders come in to assist our school with IT implements and tools so that we can improve IT development and teaching and learning in our school. The number of the students we have in this school, if you can have more of these facilities given to them, will enhance their learning, and once they leave this school, their capacities have been developed well. Once more, we thank the Fawe Kenya through our team leader who has worked very hard. Madam has worked very hard to ensure that we have this. And in Bungoma we have 20 centers that will benefit from the same. And as we talk now, the same thing is being done nationwide. So it's not only for Bungoma, but it's done for our girl child mainly in the nation. But today we are more happier because it is done to our children with the physical disabilities.
Giko cia ciana nini gukorwo cikioha nda cia tene nĩthiĩte na mbere na kuongereka ona thengia wa mbara ya kwambĩkwo makiria icigo-inĩ kia ithũĩro ria bũrũri itũra-inĩ ria Matete Lugari gũkũ nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kakamega nĩ ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirie gĩkundi kia World Vision gũteithĩrĩria ciana ici gũcokereria mathomo mao na njĩra ya kũmarĩhĩra marĩhi ma cukuru. Nĩ ikinya rĩgathĩrĩirio nĩ abitha wa rũhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ gũkũ Samson Maina ũrĩa ugĩte atĩ ukia munene niguo ucungagiriria arutwo gwikora hatĩka-inĩ ĩno.
So mambo ya mimba ya mapema hapa pia ni changamoto kubwa. Mambo ya maji na usafi pia limekuwa jambo kubwa linasumbua, lakini World Vision wameweza kutuletea matenki kwa mashule, wameweza kupatia miradi ya maji kwa hospitali including hapa Vuika mahali tuko siku ya leo.
Kwa hivyo kuna wale ambao tumeweza kushirikiana na Balibayo, tumewasaidia kurudi colleges ili waendeleze masomo yao. Kwa hivyo ni changamoto, lakini kadri ya uwezo wetu huwa tunajikakamua, tunasaidia wale wanaonyesha nia ya kusoma na wanatoka katika hali ya mazingira maovu.
Katika mji wetu wa Matete tumeona ya kwamba watoto hawa wengi wao ni ukosefu wa mahitaji. Kuna mahitaji ambao wanakosa na wanajikuta ya kwamba wanapatikana huko. Na wengine ambao wanaenda katika shule za day school. Watoto wanatembea barabarani, unawapata ya kwamba wengine wamekosa hata malipo ya kulipa shuleni. Wakifika shule wanarudishwa nyumbani. Na wakati wanarudishwa nyumbani, unapata ya kwamba wameingia katika mambo yasiyofaa.
Nake mutumia wa munini wa President Pastor Dorcas Rigathi ni augite ati andu aria maikaraga na mawathe onao ni mari ihoto taria angi akiaria ari mwena wa county ya Narok hindi ya gutuga aria maikaraga na mawathe ni aikitie ritana kuri aciari aria mari na ciana acikaraga na mawathe kwaga kumahithagirira niguo magunikage na uteithio kuma honge itiganite.
We know that these people that you see sitting next to you, they are in your neighborhood. These are citizens of Kenya who deserve. We don't need to be able to give them sympathy. They have a natural, divine right to be here and to access every facility, access health, education on equal basis. And that is why God tells us they are fearfully and made in God's image, in God's likeness. And any nation that is true to its calling, it must take care of these people.
Inaitwa nini? Ile wakati wa wapendwa, siku ya wapendwa. Mimi siku ya Valentine. Mimi Valentine yangu nilipelekea watoto ambao wanaishi na nilisaidiwa na members of the county assembly pamoja na governor speaker ile support kubwa kutoka kwa county assembly tukapelekea watu. Kwa hivyo tunawajua, tunawakumbuka, tunawapenda sana. Na mama, Biblia yangu inaniambia yule mtu ambaye anasaidia wale watu wasiojiweza kama hao amemkopa Mungu.
Nagitio kinene jitikiria ngoro ngihumuka ororigi no ngicokereria ningukorwo ngikwira nakuo iharo-ini maundu magikarite atia aturi hindi ciganona nituracokereria. Iharo-ini ria Kasarani Stadium.
Uri murimi munini na ni urabatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya Mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera kivugo mugwanja 572 kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Kiroto kiumanite na Ngai gikorago gigia kuguna mundu kiumbe Jesu nigwendete wewe wako
ikala wanikwiyunga pamwe na mumo wa Ngai nakubo dino ni kwenda mulo
Lord, I lift your name on high.
Kwa maeneo ya Thika, maeneo ya Kiadutu, watu wa kutoka maeneo ya Kiadutu slums ambao tunataka kuwasaidia kidogo. Tuko na chakula ambayo tunapatiana siku ya leo. Zaidi ya watu 250 leo watapata usaidizi kwa hisani ya Tatua Tatu. Nakumbuka kwamba ya kwanza tulikuwa kule maeneo ya Kariobangi South.
Ninashukuru sana na niko na furaha kubwa kwa sababu ya vile mmeweza kututembelea na kuweza kutupatia chakula. Kuna wengi ambao hawakuweza kutukumbuka, lakini nyinyi mmetufanya tuwe watu wa maana kwenu na kutuweka katika mawazo yenu. Tunasema mbarikiwe sana.
Yote ni kwa hisani ya Tatua Tatu. Rais kama vile 1 2 3.
Na nituracokereria gukore kwa Muthingi TV na riu njikirite ciarafa guguthukia nginya iharo-ini ngwire ciana cia atumia ciregarika githemba gani na tukiambiriria thutha wa miaka 3 thutha wa thĩ yothe kugumirwo ni king'uki gĩa COVID-19 mbitika cia Maralal International Camel Derby ni icokete kuria ciambirie kana irakorwo ikiambia muthi wa Iran ni hathi kurirehete hamwe agendi kuma bururi-ini ona nja wa bururi.
Mohoro International Camel Derby, as it is named international, it cuts across the world. Mohoro is a country with great sceneries, a country with beautiful culture, a country with beautiful people. As our people are called the butterfly people of Samburu. No wonder they are called butterfly, as you can see their dresses, you can see their culture, as has been said by my CC and the two CCs. They find attraction as far as that is concerned, and our great county is concerned. They are so many things to Samburu within. You can see our traditional that place in some groups spend more time
Today we're here to celebrate the first Mohoro International Derby. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all Kenyans, all the locals and international visitors to come and witness this very unique event. As we all know, we have not done this event for the last 4 years, and this is because of the COVID-19. And so we are back in a very big way, and there is a lot that is waiting for all of us. We have the camel races, we have the run that we are doing, the conservation run, which is 21 kilometers. We also have a local run, which is 10 kilometers, that is only for our local people from the county. We also have the bicycle racing. We have a race for our brothers who are PWC, which will be this afternoon. Yeah.
Haya, na riu tugithie na mbere tuingire bitika etereirwo muno ario bitika ya Mashemeji Derby. Team ya AFC Leopards nimehariria kunyita ugeni team iria yoire gikombe rigini nene akimera kihituku ya team ya Gor Mahia kuria magakorwo makikinyitana ikireka aria mirokana aikireka mirongo kenda na inya kuria ngaragano ino igagithakirwo kiharo-ini gia Kasarani Stadium ati gana bitika ino igakorwo ikimemerekio imwe kwa imwe kuma TV-ini ya Azam.
Kesho najua itakuwa game poa na najua itakuwa game rahisi. Vile coach ametayarisha team
si kama wachezaji tuko ready kwa siku ya kesho. Najua kesho itakuwa turning point poa kama wachezaji na pia kwa mafans pia itakuwa poa.
First of all, at AFC Leopards there are no easy games. All games are tough. All teams come with the same mentality to try and beat us. And of course, with Gor Mahia, it's of course a big rival, champion last season, maybe with a better squad. Of course, we are ready for that challenge. We'll do our best. We'll try to win this game, and hopefully we give our fans a victory for the first time. But it's not an easy game, as I said. But what we have to do is just play our normal game and try to do the right things. First of all, I'm not Gor Mahia coach. I'm talking about Leopards. We are focused in tomorrow's match. We'll give our best. We respect them, of course, but we don't fear. Those are two different things. We'll just approach this game the way we approach the other games.
Anytime AFC and Kogalo come up against each other, it's a game that's, it's really fought tooth and nail for the victory, and we know we've got to be at our best tomorrow. I think, for us, we're reasonably satisfied with how the season started. If you look at the last 5 games, the corresponding.
Marekerwa kwa raki korwa kijuria dra support team iriko hau ngani dra support team referee ni gituka muhe kadi ni gituka muruta kiharo-ini na tugethie na mbere beteka ciarigi ya kere guko alisho beteka cia NSL ni tanyito wa ikoro igiakireria muthenya wa rucio team ya Silbert magathaka na team ya Marashuga Vihiga Bullets nao umetana na team ya Kisumu All Stars team ya Asad makona magitogana na Kajiado na team ya Mathare United maruranie na team ya Nairobi United Gusino mayako makirurania na team iria jero betikaine ishi team ya Patriots. Nayo ligi nene guku bururi-ini ari ligi ya Kenya FKF Kenya Premier League nayo ndiga ikorwo igitigwo na thutha muthi wa rucio na kuria maundu magikorwo magikara githemba giki team ya City Stars makorwo magithaka makirathana na team ya Police Ulinzi Stars makorwo magithaka na team ya Kariobangi Sharks Murang'a Seals na monana na team ya Sofapaka AFC Leopards monana na team ya Gor Mahia. Haya, nero tukiruga mere matatu turuke nginya kuria mwena wa Ngeretha kuria na kubeteka ira ikorwo igiakiria na kuria team ya Luton Town magathaka na team ya Tottenham Hotspurs Burnley mashuganie na team ya Chelsea Everton nao mathake na team ya Bournemouth team ya Fulham nao maikoro magitogana na team ya Sheffield United Manchester United kana the Red Devils maikoro magitogana na team ya Glasgow beteka ine Kobeke UEFA League rucio magathaka na Brentford rigini nene ya Ngeretha na team ya Crystal Palace mathake na team ya Nottingham Forest. Na rifoti yo kuma mwena wa Ngeretha ni raikorwo gitwikirira agaturumo mohoro maitu hwaini wa umuthi ngatho cia mwanya niwe wa ikorwo gikarania nani ngwiraga ndingireho utariho ni ngatho cia mwanya ni gukorwo we ukorwo ugitweterera guku kwa Muthingi TV na riu no ni kire uru muno ngoro ngiaga gutambura aria maikorwo makinyandikira kuria mwena wa Facebook nomi watheka ngatho cia mwanya urogora rorera we mwena wa Kahawa humble host na ngikuona we mwena wa wa Amboseli. Murugi Job gathashia mwanya macho AM oyoga mambo ni matatu na ndimulire mambo ni matatu kwirora muthingi na kwirora muthingi. John Peace gathashia mwanya kwa kaunti ya Kiambu kuria mwena wa Githunguri. Kariuki wandu ati ogo tutina marastafari no wagwan na mudogo ta Unishi gathashia mwanya Mwangi Paris gathashia mwanya Pablo mmoja gathashia mwanya na gitio kinene ajitekeria maso mamuthenya wa umuthi makoro makini kirira hau nie tucemanie muthenya wa rucio methaine ito ya mathako na muthenya wa rucio na cia ndawega thamugwanja cia muthenya ni waikorwo ukiamukira mundu gwitwo Murugi Job aikorwo ikimenyithia uria bururi wa kirara no ria waigukira nie Getika Wambui Njau nginyagia hindi iyo njuge Ngai wa muoyo akwende akoige na akurathime na itakurekia kana ngikurekiria ne rumunje gutambura ria twaikoro tukirutithanie nao wira hwaini wa umuthi mundu gwitwo mutithiriria wa methaine ito ya mathako gathashia mwanya mundu gwitwo Ben niwe uma muhuri wa bishaka na camera person mundu ugwitwo Bob Numa kido gigwitwa graphics mundu gwitwa Sally na macho AM ni makiuma kido gigwitwa directing na kia producer ama mundu gwitwa Murugi Job ginyagia rucio Ngai wa muoyo akwende akoige na akurathime we wa bata araria thayo.